In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run multiple Dropbox accounts simultaneously on a Windows computer, keeping in mind some important limitations and handy workarounds. Navigating the world of cloud storage can be a bit tricky, especially when you have multiple accounts, so let's dive right in and explore how to effectively manage them side by side. To begin, let's address what Dropbox officially supports. If you're juggling both a personal account and a business or team account, you're in luck. Dropbox lets you link these accounts in the desktop app, allowing them to sync concurrently. Here's how you do this. First, sign into one of your accounts via the Dropbox desktop application. Once you're logged in, you'll want to head over to Preferences and then click on the Account tab. Here, you should see an option to either add a personal account or add a team account. By selecting this, you can easily link both accounts. Once linked, you'll notice that each account will have its own separate folders, such as C/users, your name, Dropbox, personal, and C/users/your name, Dropbox, business name. However, there's a glaring limitation to be mindful of. When both of your accounts are of the personal type, the official desktop app restricts you to syncing only one account at a time. This is where things can get a bit restrictive. Now, if your situation involves two or more personal accounts and you'd like to have them running simultaneously, you'll need to consider some creative workarounds. There are a couple of approaches you might find useful. One approach is to use the Dropbox desktop app for one account, while accessing the other account through a web browser. For this, you would install the Dropbox desktop app and log in with, say, Account A. For Account B, simply open a web browser or, better yet, an incognito or private browsing window and log in to Dropbox.com. This allows you to access both accounts, although it's important to note that only one account will sync locally on your computer. Another workaround involves using a shared folder method. While this doesn't allow you to truly run multiple accounts with separate sync folders, it can still be effective for managing your files. Here's how it works. Have Account B share a folder with Account A. Once Account A accepts this shared folder, you'll be able to see and access those files locally through Account A. This is particularly useful if you're looking for a way to access files across different accounts without actually syncing them separately on your device. These methods can be a lifesaver when it comes to managing multiple Dropbox accounts, and while they do come with their caveats, they certainly help maximize the utility out of your cloud storage needs. Let these tips guide you as you navigate your Dropbox experience, allowing you to stay productive and organized. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out more of our content for other helpful tech tips and solutions.